This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Available 3/3 furnished turnkey rental. This home is an ideal getaway. Step inside to an open floor plan featuring elegant flooring, tons or molding, impact doors and windows, plantation shutters and a backup generator for peace of mind. This meticulously maintained residence boasts a private pool, guest cabana, and expansive yard. Nestled within a prestigious guard-gated community, Palm Island offers exclusive amenities such as an oceanfront beach clubhouse, a state-of-the-art fitness center, 2 community pools, and river access complete with boat slips. Close to all area shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.